Hi friends, welcome. Highest common factor, in short known as HCF, or greatest common divisor, in short known as GCD, are one and the same. HCF and GCD both means the same. In this video, we are going to learn prime factorization method by which we can find HCF or GCD of two or more numbers. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so let's understand how to find HCF with the help of these examples. So we will consider first example now, 26 and 91. So if you want to find HCF of 26 and 91 by prime factorization method, we need to find prime factors of those numbers. तो अभी 26 का prime factors अगर हम find करेंगे, so 26 को अगर हम prime factorize करेंगे, तो we will get 2, 13, then 13, 1. So 2 and 13 are the prime factors of 26. So 26 can be written as 2 into 13, right? Product of the prime factors. 2 into 13 is 26. So for the second number 91 also we need to do the same thing. We need to prime factorize it. Now 91 comes in the table of 7 and 13. So 7 13s are 91 or 13 7s are 91. So 7 into 13 is 91. So 91 can be written as 7 into 13. Right? Now to find HCF, what we need to do? From the prime factors of both the numbers, we select common factors. The factors which is common in both the numbers. दोनों numbers में common होना चाहिए. तो 2 यहाँ पर है, 26 में है, लेकिन 91 का factor नहीं है. So it's not a common factor. 7 is in 91's factor, but 7 is not a factor of 26. So 7 is not a common factor. So which are the common factors? There is only one common factor, that is 13. So 13 is the common factor. So HCF is 13. I hope that is clear. Now what happens if there are more than one common factors? For example, say one more number would have been common, say into 3. Okay, in that case what we would have done? Now there are two common factors, 13 and 3 both, because they both are there in both the numbers. Then what we would have done? We would have multiplied the common factors. तो 13 को एक बार लिखते हैं हम लोग, 3 को एक बार लिखते हैं और दोनों को multiply कर देते हैं. So 39 दोनों का HCF हो जाता. I hope that is clear. तो क्या हो जाता दोनों का HCF? 39 हो जाता. What we do? We find the product of the common factors. So जो भी common factor है उसको एक बार लिख के उनको multiply कर देते हैं. तो 3 and 13 को, तो आंसर आ जाएगा ये. और कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर होते और ज्यादा तो सबको मल्टीप्लाई करते एक बार. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ वी फाइंड HCF ऑफ two numbers. So I'll just remove this because it is not a common factor in this case. So here we have only one common factor, so 13 is the HCF. Now here we have 510 and 92. So in this case what we do? We again find the prime factors of 510 and 92. तो 510 का prime factors find कर लेते हैं. So 2 से divisible है 2, 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. 2 से divisible है नहीं, 3 से है, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. Yes, 3 से divisible है 3, 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. Is it divisible by 3 again? 8 plus 5 13 होता है, नहीं है. So 5 से divisible है because last में 5 है. 5 1s are 5 and 35 5 7s are 35. Yeah, it's correct. So 17 1s are, because 17 is a prime number. So 510 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, right? So these are the prime factors. Now 92 can be written as 246, 223. And 23 is a prime number, so 23 ones are. So 92's prime factors are 2 into 2 into 23. Now understand, which are the common factors? We have 1, 2 here common. Do we have any other common factor? यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे दूसरा 2 है, but ऊपर दूसरा 2 नहीं है. अगर दूसरा 2 होता तो वो भी हम लोग एक बार लिखते, because वो भी एक common factor होता. But यहाँ पे नहीं है. 5 है, नहीं है. 17 है, नहीं है. 23 ऊपर नहीं है. So there is only one common factor. So HCF here is 2. I hope it is clear. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. 12, 24 and 72. Let's find prime factors quickly. So 12 का prime factors क्या है? 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1 and 72. 72's 2 36, 2 6 18, 2933331. Correct. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So now it's 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now 24 is equal to 22 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So how to find HCF? Common factors जो भी है वो एक बार लिख के सबको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So यहाँ पे 2 we have common in all three. Do we have one more 2 common? Yes, we have one more 2 common. So we will take it one more group we are getting. तीनों में एक 2 2 तीनों में है, right? 3 है तीनों में. Yes, we have 1 3 in all three. ठीक है. अब ये जो 2 है इसमें है 2 बार बट ऊपर वाले में नहीं है, सो ये कॉमन नहीं हुआ. सो देयर आर हाउ मेनी कॉमन फैक्टर्स? 1 2 एंड 3 कॉमन फैक्टर्स. 2 टाइम्स है एंड 3 1 टाइम है. सो HCF विल बी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कॉमन फैक्टर्स, मतलब 2 इंटू वापस से 2 इंटू 3. अब 3 नंबर्स है तो तीनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए. नाउ यू विल से दैट सर ये यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, 24 में एक 2 है, 72 में 2 है, तो ये दोनों कॉमन हुआ ना. बट नहीं, ये तीनों में कॉमन है क्या? नहीं. So it should be common in all three, then only we consider it in HCF. So 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2 3s are 12. So 12 is the HCF. I hope it is clear. Let's take the last example. 17, 23 and 27. Now 17 is a prime number. There is no need to prime factorize. So 17 into 1 we can write. 23 is a prime number. So it's 23 into 1. We cannot prime factorize it further. So 27 we can do it orally. 3 into 3 into 3. So now if it's very clear that 17 is not present in all three, 23 is not present in all three, 3 is not present in all three, तीनों में नहीं है 3 कॉमन. सो HCF यहाँ पे आएगा ही नहीं, मतलब कोई नंबर ऐसा नहीं है जो कॉमन है एक्सेप्ट 1. अगर there is no other number then 1 has to be, because 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. It doesn't matter, right? So we can say that 1 is the common factor in all three. So HCF is equal to 1 in this case. I hope it is clear. So I hope these examples are more than sufficient. So this is how we can find HCF of given numbers, 2 or more numbers. We saw how to find HCF of 2 numbers or more than 2 numbers. What do? We take the factors which are common in all the numbers given and we multiply the common factors to get the HCF. It's that simple. So even if there are 4 numbers, here we took 3 numbers, 12, 24 and 72. Let's say we have 4th number, say 120. So what do? We will find 120's prime factors and then now we will compare common factors. We will find common factors in all 4 numbers. तो जितने भी numbers दिए होंगे तो सब में common होना चाहिए. वो जो भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स होंगे सबको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तब जाके हमें क्या मिलेगा? HCF मिलेगा. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. तो 4 नंबर्स हो, 5 नंबर्स हो, इस तरह से हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से HCF इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. आई होप द मेथड इज वेरी क्लियर. वी जस्ट सिंपली फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स in all the given numbers and then multiply to get the HCF. If you have liked the video, do like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.